So today we're going to go from this
to this.
At this point, I've already built 3 other of these, so this should go rather quickly. Not as quickly as it will for you. And not fragile at all. They're really, really nice products. And yes, we paid for them. Due to the size of the desktop itself and the area that we have to work with, it looks like the 27-inch monitor here, my Pixio PX277H, which I really love, is the problem with this setup right now. Now, you could say it's the desktop too. I can throw it under there, which I believe I am going to do. So let's try that, see if it moves it over. and we're able to finish the setup, which I'm hoping that it will give us enough room and I won't feel crowded down here with this down here. I will be putting something underneath so that the airflow can come up and through, so don't worry about that. Let's just get this all situated and where I would need to be sitting. Let's grab that chair back here and figure this out. Another thought I just had is I possibly could move this a little forward if I wanted to and try to put the PC back there, but I'm not too keen on that idea right now. So let's just see what this brings and we'll go from there. I purchased the stand for the 27-inch because it actually had to be a special type of, or specially rated, I should say, stand for the springs so it could hold the monitor. I did not do a review on it. By the time I got it and got around to even thinking about a review on it, it was pretty much end of life. So I didn't pursue it any further. If anybody would like to see a review on the stand, like I said, I'm in love with it. I opened it up and I was just like, oh, that is good, solid quality stand right there. So that is something I'm willing to do if you're interested. Okay, now we have the desk finished. As you can see here, it's not exactly what I was hoping for, and not as much room as I was hoping for, but that is what it is. That's what we could afford, and at this point, that is what we're going to be using. So I'm really happy with what conspired here. I did have a little bit of drama. If you want to see some of that drama, go ahead and go to the Patreon page that I have now, and go to the specific tier that will have that. Everything is accumulated as you go through the tiers. So at the third tier, you get everything from the first tier all the way up. So just keep that in mind. Let's see here. Also, if you just want to support this channel through Amazon, I'm part of the Amazon Associate program. Thank you for coming on by. Hit that like button if you liked this video. Hit that notification bell to get more of these videos. And this is Chris saying out.